talk about the difference between de and desde. Desde is sort of a variation of de. So de in Spanish means from, of, or about. Okay, that's the sort of meaning of de. It probably has other meanings in certain contexts, but that's the meaning of de. Okay, from, of, or about, Now, desde is a sort of extension of from. Desde comes from from the meaning of from de. So that's why you hear stuff like soy de Mexico, soy de España, soy de Suecia. It means I'm from this place, okay? Using de. Now, the difference between using from as de and using from as desde is that desde refers to a physical distance or a figurative or mental distance. So think about the sentence, I see you from here, okay? That from, the usage of from in that sentence is describing a physical distance. I see you from here, right? The from is describing the physical distance between us, the physical difference. So there you wouldn't use de, right? You wouldn't say te veo de aquí, you'd say te veo desde aquí, right? I see you from here, referring to the distance, the physical distance between us. But it can also be used as a figurative distance, as in, what I mean by that is a distance in time, okay? A difference or distance in time. So in English, if you said, since I was little or since I was young, in that context, the word since actually means from, right? You're saying from when I was young until now. And so in Spanish there, you'd use desde for the word since, because what you're really meaning is from, because what you're really saying is from when I was young until now. And so that's why you're using desde. You're saying from, but you're describing a distance in time, which is why I use desde. So for example, since I was a kid, desde que era niño, right? So here you'd use desde, okay? So that's the difference between de and desde, okay? You'll basically always use de, and desde only comes specifically when the word from is describing a physical distance or a distance in time, or like a figurative distance, you could call it. All right, now, and by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.